Okay, everybody, here's a quick tutorial guide on how to maneuver through our class. If you look at it, we're on our home screen right here. The syllabus will be attached here. You'll click on syllabus right here to access the syllabus. Also, as part of kind of the right hand side here, there'll be the syllabus linked also. But what I want you guys to go to, and if you look at this page right here, there's some things I want you guys to read about netiquette, Canvas support, and we'll kind of go into that in a little bit. Some resources as well, student services resources. So make sure you're familiarize yourselves with it. But one thing I want you guys to do is to go over to the modules section right here, right? And your view might look a little different than my view. I have a instructor view, so you're in your own student view. But this is kind of basically the way the class is going to be laid out. So if you look at course management here, it'll have my instructor info. It'll also have the 20th century book that we're going to be using by Reeves. Now this is a free text, so make sure you sign into the library and access the electronic copy, and the link will be right here for you to be able to do that. You go ahead and click on that link and it should take you to the text. Now if you look in here, there are institutional support links here. You know, things like academic honesty, student services, the library, tutoring, counseling, Canvas support, which is a big deal. So if you have ever have any technological problems, go ahead and visit the student help desk here in Canvas, and it'll show you and it'll give you links on how to get help with Canvas. There's troubleshooting things, chatting with the help desk, and if you need to call, there's the phone number. They're open 24/7, so it shouldn't be a problem getting in touch with anybody. I can't promise the wait times will be short, but at least you know you have a 24/7 person on call if you have problems with any parts of the course. I also have a link to the writing center here. So we're gonna have like 4 written papers this semester, so I'm gonna want you guys to utilize the writing center and make an online appointment, and they can help you. Also, for our Supreme Court project, I have a sample of a paper that somebody turned in, and that'll be there for you to use. All right, so the way I have the class broken down is by weeks. So like you can see here, we have the week 1 module. What we're going to be reading are important learning objectives, so make sure you look at those PowerPoints, our first discussion, and also I'm going to want you guys to introduce yourself by at least the Wednesday of the class start week. I have weeks 2, 3, 4, and you can see here where all of our content is going to be, and you can see our first exam is going to be on September 9th. It's going to be 30 questions, so that'll be there for you to use. What'll also come up eventually in these classes is that I will start adding the asynchronous videos that I will expect you guys to watch, the lecture videos that we won't be going over as a group. So that'll be posted on the week that corresponds to it. So I don't have them up right now. I'm gonna wait till the semester gets a little bit closer to start, so I can have updated material and updated real world news there. So yeah, if you want to look at some of the assignments that we have, these are going to be some of the assignments that are occurring throughout the course. Remember, with the exams, you're going to have a study guide tied to each module practically, and you'll use that to get ready for the exams. If you look at the essays, we're going to have some short essays. There'll be instructions on how to do these short essays, and as you can see at the very bottom, I have the rubric on what I'm looking for. So if we look lastly at this, one of the big things is a Supreme Court paper, and if you go down and try to find it right here, it'll say what I expect. Please use the writing center while writing this, and there's some tips on what I expect out of you, and my makeup work policy, and also the rubric. So those are the important things. Okay guys, that's the quick tutorial on how to maneuver through Canvas for our class. We'll talk to you soon.